anyway, this thing is like incredible. So the HL just came by and I got a small package. We're gonna check it out. So let's just open it up. Cardboard everywhere. So in the box there was basically this big polyester thing, instructions, and that was it. And we're gonna unbox everything right now. Okay, so first fun fact, I forgot to ask the seller that I was in Europe, so I'll need adapters for all that. So I guess we've got the LED ring light. Here's an HDMI cable. We've got the video little dongle. Well, I guess that's to power the microscope or the video. We've got lenses everywhere and protection and the big guy. So I couldn't find any adapters. Don't have any more. I do have these, so just cut it up and solder it in there, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do about this one yet. So we'll see. So I just cut the wires, and there's just a few screws here. It's all very easy to do. Not that interesting. Okay, finally. So in the end, I just soldered 2 wires to the power adapter, and then got a U plug out there. And for the ring light, it looks better. Same process, but no soldering. So this should all be working now. So I'll just screw this onto the microscope and try to set up my camera with a big LCD screen. And I'm gonna have fun with these lenses and then try looking at a few iPhone motherboards. So if you're wondering how to assemble this if you have the same one. So first thing I did was putting the 0.5 here so I could have a bigger working area. And then you have to put these little guys onto to the binoculars. So there's like this little screw there, and then you just like get the plastic shields off, and then you just slide it in, and when it's done, well, you see your motherboard down there. So that's the first thing you need to do. Then we'll try to set up the camera. Actually, it turns out that this camera only has a HDMI output, and the current screen I wanted to use only has VGA input, so I'll have to buy another screen. But anyway, this thing is like incredible. I can see details on these motherboards. That's going to help me a lot with all of my repairs. And so this summer I'll be releasing all the repairs I'll be doing on motherboards to teach you guys, especially here in France, because in the United States you have Jessa Jones, you have Louis Rossmann. They have great videos. They're kind of hard to understand if you don't know anything about this world, and I'll be essentially releasing these videos in French because the French people don't have anything about that kind of repairs yet, or maybe just if you're in Canada sometimes. So that's what I'll be doing this summer, I guess, helping out people with this guy. And thanks to Scotty from Strange Parts for, well, reviewing this, because I've been wanting to buy one for a while now, and I was just hesitating, and all the AM Tech ones, they were about, if you're getting them from France, you need at least $700, and this one costs around 300 on AliExpress from the link that Strange Parts gave me, so I'll put in the description from his video. At $300, it was $80 to ship, and then DHL asked me actually €100 to pay VAT taxes, import taxes. So I guess you won't have to pay these taxes for different countries. It depends on your country. But anyway, it was a pretty good discount next to the 700 I was supposed to buy. And I'm not sure I need any better quality for now because I'm not experienced enough. So stay tuned for more videos, and We'll be there
Just so I
soon.
can show you guys. And there, like the detail level, can't really see in there. That oh, there we go. I mean, this is like my camera is actually uh, not rendering that great on the microscope, but I'm telling you, it's pretty good. It's really, really, really good.